Hi dear students, all of you, welcome. Let's move on to the next topic in Unit 4, covalent bond. Okay? The covalent bond. In 1990, the scientists Langmuir and Lewis both the two scientists were introduced the term of covalent bond. Okay, so what is the meaning of this covalent bond? The Langmuir scientist was refined the Lewis postulates under a new idea of cubic arrangement in a octet. Okay, the Langmuir is a new arrangement to be forming in the case of covalent bond. Okay, let me go for Lewis-Langmuir theory of definition of covalent bond. The covalent bond is formed when the atoms of same or identical or different elements combine by mutual sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons. Okay. This is about a definition of covalent bond. Covalent bond, how they are formed? When the atoms or elements of a same elements, either different elements, combined by mutual sharing, equal sharing of electrons. This is called, to be formed, one of the bond we called as covalent bond. Okay? So, see here example, the same elements like you take any one of the examples like hydrogen molecules, chlorine molecules, take this chlorine molecules. Okay. So chlorine, how much atomic number is a 17. Okay. So 17 you write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, so 10, 11, 12, 3p5. Okay. So this to be called 2 and this is 8 and this one 7. Okay. So chlorine, how much of valence electrons is present? 5 plus 2. 7 valence electrons are present in the chlorine. So chlorine we have to be represented in a dot structurally. So these are the 7 valence electrons. In the previous class we discussed the valence electrons we represent in a Lewis symbol in a dot representation. So here the one of the chlorine, you take the one chlorine, so you did how much? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So you take another one of the chlorine. The chlorine also having 7 electrons. Lone pair of electron is 7. So here Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So see here, what's the term say? Same or different elements combined by mutual sharing. How much of sharing of electrons is 7 electrons is there. 1 electron is gaining or 1 electron is sharing to forming of what? This is to be 8. It's like what? This is stable electron configuration. Stable electron configuration is formed. Forming of 288, this is giving the organ stable electron configuration, right? So we want to share only the one electrons. Only one electron is sharing another chlorine atom of one of the electron. To make a bond, that is called what? Covalent bond, will be represented like this was like this. This is called what? Covalent bond. This is a single covalent bond. Either 2 or 3, this is called as multiple bond, will be discussed later. So remaining was, these are called as lone pair of electrons. 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pair of electrons are present in each carbon atoms. Okay, let me go for, this is giving a octet rule. Yes, see here. After sharing, they can be stable. After stable, how did you form? This is giving octet rule. Okay, octet means 8 electrons. So see here, chlorine atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 electrons. This is obey the octet rule. See, another chlorine atom. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you get? This is both here to forming a stable octet rule. Okay. Example of same or identical element. You take any one of the example. H2, F2, etc. So we take another one of the example for different elements. Different elements like HCl. In this HCl, hydrochloric acid, this is hydrogen, this is chlorine. Okay, different atoms. So here this is only one electron in a valence shell electrons. In the chlorine is 7 valence shell electrons. Okay, total is 8. In the molecule having 8 electrons. So H only 1. So chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, these two are sharing. Okay, so sharing to form of one covalent bond. Okay, so how did they form to get octet rule? The chlorine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, this is 8 electrons. But in the case of hydrogens, see here, hydrogen sharing only the 2 electrons. Because of hydrogen is a smallest shell element. So hydrogen is a first shell element. It is a capacity of only the 2 electrons. Hydrogen 1 electron, it is occupy only the sharing of 1 electron to complete over that shell. The orbit capacity is only the 2 electron, very least number of orbital. So this hydrogen is very near to the nucleus. Okay, hydrogen is sharing only capacity of 1 electron to forming of molecules that make the hydrogen giving only the capacity of 2 electrons. That's why we called as duplex. This is octet. Okay, this giving what? Helium stable electron configuration. Remaining are what? Giving NS2, NP6 like argon, helium, neon, krypton like. Okay. And one more point, this hydrogen is always high electropositive element, but this is donate the electrons. Okay, this is in the molecule is in a ender position, not in a center. Okay, this is about covalent bond. Clear? Okay, next we go into the bond. Covalent bond having the single and multiple bonds. What are those? We are going to discuss of all those terms. Okay students, next some of the rules are in the forming of covalent bond. See here, each bond is formed as a result of sharing of an electron pair between the atoms. Each bond Each bond is formed means sharing of two electrons. Sharing of two electrons to forming of a bond. This is one bond, single covalent bond. Each bond is formed result of sharing an electron pair. Okay, this is called as electron pair between the atoms. Either any atoms, so pair is joining to forming of covalent bond. Okay, next each combining atom contributed any one of the atom. You take hydrogen, either you take carbon, either you take oxygen. Any atoms contributed at least one electron to share pair of in the formation of covalent bond. Pair in covalent bond. Okay. So we'll be discussing the example wise in the later. Okay. So next point is third one, the combining atoms. The combining atoms, any atoms is combined. This is sodium and chlorine. This is a combined atoms. Attain outer shell noble gas configuration. It gives noble gas configuration as a result of share of electrons. Noble gas configuration is giving octet rules. Okay. C is obey the rule of octet rule. Okay. So discuss all these terms. Let me go for example wise one by one. Okay. So first point is single covalent bond. Okay. Single covalent bond. How they are formed? What's the definition of single covalent bond? It is the bond, okay, between two atoms. Bond between two atoms share one electron pair is said to be single covalent bond. Okay. Very simple definition is bond between two atoms share one electron pair, at least having two electrons, is said to be single covalent bond. Okay, let me go for examples. Hydrogen molecule, you take hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen is only one electron, valence electron. You consider only the not atomic number, only valence electrons, because of the contributed of bond is only the valence electrons, not in the inner shell electrons. Okay, so hydrogen doesn't worry. It's having only one electron, it is valence electron also one, and atomic number also one. Okay, so another one of the hydrogen, it may form what? Hydrogen. This is the sharing of electrons. Okay, shared to forming what? Single covalent bond. This is called what? Sigma bond. What the sigma bonds and pi bonds we discuss in later. See what's the term we said? Each bond atom formed result to sharing of electron pair. Yes, it's sharing of electron pair is shared. Okay, each combined atom is containing at least one electron to share the pair. It's one electron is shared. Okay, so combining of atom attain all the outer shell electron noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration you just mentioned NS2. NP6 is a noble gas configuration octet. But duplet it NS2 except helium. The hydrogen, already I said hydrogen capacity is only the fulfilling of 2 electrons. So hydrogen is giving a duplet, remaining all for giving what? Octet rules. See here, hydrogen 1 and 2 electrons. This hydrogen 1 and 2. This is a contributed. Hydrogen 1 electron, this is contributed 1 electron, it is 2 electrons. This is giving what? Duplet. Okay, let me go for one more examples like, okay, we go to the next example, CH4, methane. So see here, you have to be choosing which one is the central atom, which one is the end atom. It is in a Lewis structure, there have to be some rules and some of the facts were there to be guessing of which one is a central atom, which one is outer end atoms. But hydrogen is always in a end because of hydrogen is a losing of character and it having a high electropositive character, but it is a losing of nature. It's always in a end in a structure. So carbon how much of valence shell electrons? Valence shell electron is carbon actually the atomic number is 6. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So outer valence shell electron is 2, 4. So 4 is an outer electron configuration. This is 4 plus hydrogen is only 1. It is 4 hydrogen atoms are present. 4 means 1 into 4. This is 4 plus 4, 8. Total number of valence electrons. Clear? So when we go for some representation of covalent bond, this carbon is a central. Carbon is a central atom, and this carbon having a maximum number of bond capacities. 4 bond capacity is present in a carbon atom because of 4 valence electrons are present. So each side we have to mention 1, 2, 3, 4 lone pair of electrons. Then hydrogen 1 is sharing of 1 electron of a carbon atom. So here 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen in the place of this one, and 1 hydrogen here and hydrogen in the next position. So what you think? This is what? Forming of sharing of 1 electron to forming single covalent bond. So this is forming a single covalent bond. See here 1, 2 electrons. This is 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. But carbon having a 6 plus 2, 8 electron, octet 2. Just see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means carbon contributed 8 electrons to stable of octet 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is contributed 8 electrons octet. Okay, this is a completion of bonding nature. This make how the structure is formed. Say look like this. Okay, this is what look like this type of structure. How much bond is present? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sigma, 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 sigma. 4 sigma bond are present, but this is called single covalent bond. Clear? This is type of any example you taken to get single bond will be formed in a sharing of only 1 pair of electrons. This is very important thing. Okay, let's go for a double covalent bond or multiple covalent bonds. Okay, so see here, next is a single covalent bond is a double covalent bond. double covalent bond. In this double covalent bond, one we call sigma bond, another we call pi bond. Okay. First of the any atom for joining, that's to be called sigma bonds. Okay. So how they are formed of double bonds? See here, bond between two atoms share two electron pairs. Clear? So double bond is formed sharing of two electron pairs between two atoms. Okay, this is a formula for double bond. Okay, let me go for discuss some problems. So we take C2H4. C2H4. This is called what? Ethene. One of the alkene examples, ethene or ethylene. Ethylene or called ethene. Okay. Okay. See here, the two carbon atoms are present. Four hydrogen atoms are present. So carbon valence electron is 4. Hydrogen valence electron is only 1. Okay. Carbon is 4 electrons plus 4 electrons to combine of octet rule. Okay. So let me see here. This is a carbon, right? Right. One more carbon. Hydrogen is 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogen is contributed 4 electrons. Each hydrogen right like here. Okay. So this is contributed only the 1 electrons. So carbon is contributed how much? 1 share with the hydrogen atom. The carbon is shared with another hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom. So carbon capacity is how much? Each carbon having 4 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this will be appear the sharing of these two electrons. Electrons will be formed double bond. Each side of a corner having a single bonds. Okay? This to be represent sigma bonds. Either first one, we consider this one is sigma bond, this is a pi bond. Either this one is sigma bond, this is a pi bond. So this is pi bonds. Okay? These single bonds are all what? Sigma bonds. Okay? Let me clear. So this may see, just observe the hydrogen capacity is only 2 electrons. 1, 2. Each hydrogen having 2 electrons. But carbon capacity is how much? 8 electrons. Just imagine of this one. This is not actually Lewis dot structure. You did not mention like this. Okay? You did not represent this type of bonds. Only the dot representation. So just observe here the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All they are joining with sharing of electrons. See here, one bond means 2 electrons. The carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are present. In this carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. Just see here, this is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is noble gas configurations. This carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This make what? Double bond is formed. This type of structure we represent in the case of double bond formations. Let me one more example. So carbon dioxide. Take carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, carbon, its capacity is 4 valence electron, oxygen 6 valence electrons. Valence electron, sharing of electrons, okay? In detail we discuss in the next layer structure which one is a central atom, which one is taken a carbon atom. See here, the carbon and oxygen molecules, the carbon atom is a less electrovalent atom. So carbon, so each side is oxygen. Oxygen capacity is how much? 6 electron of each carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay. So in this carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what about carbon? Carbon is 4 valence electron. 4 is the not right like here because this is a sharing of the left and right side of the atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just see here. In this structure, what do you think? This is a sharing of one bond and this is also sharing with another one of the bond. The 2 electrons pair is formed. Okay, so how they are right? Say carbon, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, so this is what? 2 atoms. You think what? Okay, you did not confuse. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are there. We represent only the double bond. What's the definition is the form or sharing of 2 electron pair between only 2 atoms. We consider only the 2 atoms, not all the molecules. Okay, so we consider only the 2 atoms, one atom and another one atom. It's having only the 2 bonds. This atom, okay, these to be considered carbon and oxygen having 2 bonds. This is called what? Double bond. Okay, but in the case the carbon having a double bond, but carbon and hydrogen having single bonds. We consider this one is an example of a double bond. Clear? So this is a forming of one is a pi bond, one is sigma or pi, whatever it is. So just think it. These are contributed. Okay. What about remaining? These to be called what? Lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. These are also contributed to gaining of electrons contributed in a bond formation. Don't be confused. These are the contributed. We call as covalent bond. ಏನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಓಕೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ more electrons valence electrons these to be called lone pair of electrons these lone pair of electrons also involving in contribution of bond that bond is called what coordinate bond later we go to the discuss of some of the examples. Okay, in hybridization these are involving. Okay, so we mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen bond capacity is 2 and 2 lone pair of electrons. Clear? So nitrogen is a 3 bond capacity, 1 lone pair of electrons. Here 2 lone pair of electrons. 1, 2, 2 lone pair of electrons. Here 1 lone pair of electrons. Clear? This is the examples or double covalent bond. Let me go for triple covalent bonds. Triple is as usual same like say triple covalent bond. So one more bond is present. One of this, in this 3, one we consider sigma bond. Remaining, one we consider sigma bond. Remaining are pi bonds. Only In any two atoms, one bond is as a sigma bonds. Remaining are all pi bonds. Okay, so having one sigma bonds, two pi bonds. Clear? Say 2 and 3 are called as multiple bonds. We discussed one of the triple bond. Example are say acetylene. So C2H2. Okay. Carbon, 2 atoms, hydrogen, 2 atoms. So carbon is a 4 valence electrons. So hydrogen only 1 valence electron. Write carbon and carbon. So 2 hydrogen means is a mutual sharing. So right here hydrogen and hydrogen. This is only one sharing. Okay. So carbon is sharing with one hydrogen. That make to forming of carbon single bonds. But carbon between, just here, the carbon capacity is how much? 4 valence electrons. How they have 4? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Set outer shell electrons, 2 plus 2, this is 4 valence electrons. The 4 valence electrons, how did you write? 1, 2, 3, not like. Because of this to be forming of 3 electron pair between the 2 atoms. Any 2 atoms we consider, the 2 atoms were giving 3 electron pairs. 3 electron pair means the carbon and carbon is paired with 3 electron pairs. Okay, this make what will be form of 1, 2, 3 triple bond. Just see here, this has been given 1 and 2, hydrogen 2 electrons. Okay, so bond formation, after a bond formation giving the octet group. The carbon is one bond is considered 2 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not consider this one. The carbon is attached to the nearest atoms. Okay, you consider of carbon of these 3 and this one bond only. Okay, so not consider this bond. So carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is like this. And this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and hydrogen 2 electrons. 2 electrons hydrogen, this is 8 electrons, this is 8 electrons. Okay, the stable electron configurations. Okay, let me go for one more example. So nitrogen molecules. So okay, nitrogen having the atomic number is 7. So how did you write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4, 3. Okay, so how much outer shell electron is? 3 plus 2, 5. So each nitrogen having 5 electrons, valence electrons. So how much of atoms are present? N2 molecules. N2 means plus 5. Total 10 valence electrons are present in this molecule. Okay, in this 10 we have to be sharing. So let me go for nitrogen. So only the nitrogen. So right here. So one of the nitrogen having 5 lone pair of electrons. 5 lone pair of electrons is it's an example of triple bond. Triple bond means sharing of 3 electrons. 1, 2, 3. Right? Remaining 2 is right here. Okay. So another one of the nitrogen is 1, 2, 3, and remaining 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This nitrogen, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. Clear? So bonding is formed to get 3 electron pairs between the atoms of nitrogen to forming of nitrogen 1, 2, 3 and nitrogen. These are all what? Lone pair of electrons. These are all lone pair of electrons. These are all bond pair. BP, bond pair electrons, LP, lone pair of electrons. So just imagine of octet group. This is nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. Okay, in this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 electrons. Given the what? Octet group. Okay, clear? This is about the single, double and triple covalent bond. Clear? Thank you.